ngeviki ledlule sibone ilethe ebiphuma kuMkhonto weSizwe Party, specifically ofisini le-presidency yoMkhonto weSizwe Party, isayinwe u-Deputy President woMkhonto weSizwe Party okuNgtoni Yengeni. Ibheke kuFikile Mbalula, o-Secretary General we-ANC, ebimcela ukuthi becela babe nomhlangano lapho bezodingida khona baphinde babonisane mayelana nodaba lokubuswa kwe-KZN. Bathi konke lokho bafuna ukwenza egameni labantu base-KZN. Ngasho futhi kule viki eliphelile ngathi isicelo se-MK angeke sibe impumelelo. Ngazifaka nezizathu ngathi noma ngathiwa kwenzakaleni, kukhona abantu okuyibona abalawula lezwe, okuyibona abashaya umthetho kulezwe, abafuni lutho ezosondeza i-MK Party kwipower okanye uJacob Zuma kwipower. So isicelo sabo sokuthi bahlangane ne-ANC ngoba kufanele kubuswe i-KZN angeke size senzeke. Nganikhumbuza futhi ukuthi uGogo uZille ngesikhathi ayekhuluma wathi babengeke bathatha abantu base-KZN babanikele ezinjeni. Kwasho yena wathi uma kungathiwa abantu base-KZN baphethwe yi-ANC, i-EFF ne-MK bayobe banikelwe ezinjeni. Ngakho-ke kwakufuneka benze noma yini esemandleni ukuze bakunqande lokho, kwakusho uGogo uZille.
So we aren't, I'll be quite honest, I mean, we could threaten to bring KwaZulu-Natal down if they don't agree to the document's terms in Gauteng, but we're not going to do that. We're not irresponsible people. We don't want to hand KwaZulu-Natal to MK and the EFF. It would be a total disaster for that province. So we're not about to do that. There are other levers that we're going to use, obviously there are. But we're not going to say the people of KwaZulu-Natal can be thrown to the dogs, not at all.
Zwele kuGogo uZille esho ngachaza ngeviki eliphelile kabanzi ukuthi angeke size siphumelele lesicelo se-MK. Ngachaza futhi ukuthi kungani angeke ngisabuyele emuva, kodwa ke ngibona i-article ecacisayo ukuthi isicelo se-MK asibanga impumelelo, sizofunda yona manje. The ANC's national leadership has rejected the Umkhonto weSizwe Party call to topple the IFP-led government of Provincial Unity, GPU, in KwaZulu-Natal. Last week, the MKP's second Deputy President, Toni Yengeni, wrote to the ANC Secretary General, Fikile Mbalula, requesting a meeting to discuss the formation of a new coalition government and a motion of no confidence against Premier Thamsanqa Ntuli. Had the ANC agreed to the proposal, the meeting would have taken place on Saturday. However, the parties did not meet as the ANC never even responded or acknowledged receipt of the invitation. Speaking on Saturday evening, ANC National Spokesperson Mahlengi Bhengu Motsiri said there was no meeting, saying the party saw the invitation in the media and Mbalula was in Tanzania the whole week. She said Mbalula was busy in a meeting with the Gauteng Provincial Task Team. Open quotes. To be honest, MKP is not our priority. We are busy with ANC work, close quote. The MKP had also invited the ANC to attend the multi-party talks, which is scheduled to take place on Sunday, as in yesterday, in Durban. The parties that confirmed their attendance are NFP and EFF. However, Bhengu Motsiri said the ANC will not be participating. The proposed meeting is expected to develop a new strategy to topple the IFP-led government, GPU. The MKP is also expected to present the new motion to the meeting, in which both NFP and EFF are expected to pledge their support to it. Despite having met all the GPU partners which are ANC, DA, and IFP. The NFP still supports the dismantling of the current provincial coalition it helped to constitute in 2024. After meeting with IFP, the NFP announced that it will still support the MKP-sponsored motion of no confidence against Ntuli. The party also reiterated that it had not rejoined the GPU and will remain outside until its disciplinary hearing against Mbali Shinga has been finalized. The outcome is expected to be announced this week. Shinga, who is also Social Development MEC, was charged for misconduct after defying the party's directive to support the MKP motion last year. Lolu daba ke libhalwe uWilliam Phungula. Ngoba bengishilo ngeviki eliphelile ngathi isicelo seMK angeke sibe impumelelo. iANC angeke ivume ukusebenzisana neMK party. Noma kungathiwa kwenzakaleni. Noma ngathiwa ke iANC ifike esigabeni lapho khona isithanda yona ukusebenzisana neMK party. Kodwa isiZulu sithi ayikhonkoti nethambo. Ama-funders wayo okuyibona abantu abalawula lezwe, okuyibona abantu ababaphoqile ukuthi bashade ne-DA noma bengathandani. Labo bantu abafuni iMK isondele emandleni, abafuni lutho ezosondeza iMK emandleni. Yingakho uGoguzile umzwile ekhuluma ngalendlela akhulume ngayo. Wathi mangase i-province yaKwaZulu Natal iphathwe i-MK party ne-EFF, bayo babantu baKwaZulu Natal banikelwe ezinjeni. Usholo yena uGoguzile angimsukeli. So ngachaza futhi ngeviki eliphelile, ngakukhumbuza futhi ukuthi ngesikhathi sebudget sangonyaka ophelile, iDA yanqaba ukuthi uMinister Inogodonga nakhuphula iVAT ngo-2%. Yona yodwa iDA. Wonke ama-partners akhona ku-GNU ayihambelana naleyo nto leyo, yanqaba iDA. Yahlehla ibudget. Ithe mayibuye kwesibili, amsho kwakuyi-12 zikaMarch mayibuye kwesibili. Ithe mayibuye kwesibili wayesethi uMinister Inogodongwane upropose ukuthi izokhuphuka ngo-0.5 kunyaka ophelile bese kulonyaka ikhuphuka ngo-0.5 ukusho ukuthi ngabe manje iVAT u-16%. Still iDA yavota against i-fiscal framework ngoba yayingahambelani nalokho. Kwaba yiyokuqala ukuya enkantolo kwalandela i-EFF noma i-EFF yayinecase strong, kodwa iDA yona yokuqala ukuya enkantolo ukuthi iyophikisana nalokukhushulwa kweVAT. Wathi uBas John bona eziDA uma engase iANC ireverse ibill le expropriation bill, mhlambe bangayiconsider le ndaba yokuthi kukhuphuka iVAT, ngale kwalokho abayeke. Yanyakaza ngempela iGNU waze wabuza uClement Manyathela ukuthi iDA isazoqhubeka na ibe ingxenye yeGNU. Wabuza estudio ngaleso sikhathi kwakukhona ubaba uMdumse Ntuli chief whip we-ANC kanye noGoguzile. No, uGoguzile babemfonele wayevele ku screen noClement Manyathela. uGoguzile wathi we going nowhere. Wathi ANC iyazi ukuthi uma engasikhipha iGNU irandi lizowa. Kulezo nsuku kwavela indaba ezithi kunelethe yavela kwibusiness yayiqonde ngqo kuJohn Steenhuisen yaphinda yaqonda ngqo kuPresident Cyril Ramaphosa yabatshela ukuthi iGNU ayingehlukani. Irandi laso sikhathi la reactor lazi laba u19 rand lalicishe liye ku20 rand mol compare to iDollar. Ngendlela okwakuyiyo uPresident Cyril Ramaphosa ebuzwa wasenza steering wathi no, we won't be dictated by ibhizinisi. Kodwa siyazi ukuthi ayikho into ababezoyenza kunjengoba kunjalo. So akuyibona abantu abalawulayo nayibona abathatha inqumo bebengeke baze bayivume lento. Bebengeke bavume ngoba abayifuni iMK Party eduze nje kwepower, abayifuni. Siyazi ukuthi iMK Party ine majority lapha eKZN ukuthi njengoba ayinawo 51% or 50%. Kodwa nje angeke baze bavume. Angibambe le video. Ngicela ukuze ukuphala kwa kodwa lena iupdate yokuthi isicelo seMK Party asibanga impumelelo njengoba bengishilo ngeviki eliphelile ngazichaza nezathu ezinye zazo lezi engiqeda ukuzichaza manje. Kodwa ke ngithi angeke update phinde ngikukhumbuze ukuthi kodwa bengishilo. Mina nawe sidibane kwivideo elandelayo. Ngiyabonga kakhulu.